BabyBus.
School bus. Today is play day. Let's go make dolls and buy some yummy snacks.
Let's make a doll.
Welcome.
We want to make a doll and take it to the kindergarten.
No problem. Come with me.
Slide the scissors to cut out the shape. Let's sew it together. It is done! Next, let's decorate the doll. Finally, let's pack the doll. Aha! It's so beautiful. Thank you! I love it!
It is done. The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go.
Tap to equip the magical item. Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. You can get a gift when you finish shopping. Drag the shopping cart to a kid. Next, let's go buy what we need together. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. Thank you for helping me get everything I need.
We've bought everything we need. Let's go to the kindergarten.
Uh-oh! There's a flock of sheep blocking the road. Honk the horn to drive the sheep away. Whoa! The sheep are gone. Let's go!
This is kindergarten.